video. What's going on? How's everybody doing out in the fun land? So today I am, before it gets dark actually, it is 7:50. And it's actually cooled down. I'm super excited because I actually get to work on this car. Two things. Before I get to that one, two things. The K-seal that I use for my radiator, it's been about a week. Knock on wood, it was holding well. I had no leaks, nothing besides a little explosion in my coolant little container thing. But other than that, there was no leaks in it. And I was actually very happy because I still gotta get it, I still down the line have to get it done. I'm all over the place. I got stuff in my foot. I'm always in my scroll moment. That's number one. Number two, I happened to go on this website, Rock Auto, and end up buying some stuff off of there because I needed to replace it, or replace a lot of stuff on this car. Like it needs some little upgrades, even up to the big upgrades on this car. So I happen to have. Actually, this is Rock Auto. This is not sponsored by them or nothing, but this is the stuff I need as parts because they need to be upgraded a little bit. Two things I actually bought from them was a cylinder. Nope. Yep, that is it. Uh-oh. I'm dropping stuff. It's getting dark. That's why I'm rushing this. I shouldn't be rushing this video. Who's the ass people? So one is this filter. I'm gonna show you this filter that, oh my god, freaking bugs. Ah, it's better than my other ones. One filter, actually, this is my original one. Oh, people. Freaking bugs. I gotta keep doing this video because these bugs starting to bug me. This is my original bug. That's my filter right there. So the other one was a new one. This is a new one. I'm gonna show you the comparison, and actually it fits really well. Like you can see, that's just sorry. So that is going in. That's one, and then I have a seal that's going over here, which does fit. Let's get this going. I gotta clean this old one off because when it gets dark, so it actually do fit. I have not changed since I had this car since 2014, 15. Oh, about to lose it. I have never really changed anything on this car. So all my throttle body is all discombobulated, which is all right because I'm gonna have to put that back together anyway because it's getting it's actually nice outside. Look at it. Oh, this would be a perfect scene where you see a plane flying, but I haven't heard no planes all day actually. Very chill. Yes. So here are this is for 02 TL. Here's the model number for the gasket. About the gasket and the number for the filter. Like I said, the filter actually fit perfect. I like it because it's more thin than my original one. Fucking bugs. This is why I gotta hurry up and do it. Yeah, so I gotta hurry up and put this car back together because if I don't, I'm gonna be pissed off. Let's see what else we got going on with this car. So my O2 sensors for this car is supposed to be here today, which is a Saturday. It said end of Saturday night, which is a lie. So I should be getting those on Monday. Matter of fact, I might get them tomorrow. Yeah, so my car still has that little jump because the O2 sensor, which I got off of eBay from a seller, and I kind of try to contact that seller, freaking bugs, and never respond. So I just got it, same thing, rocksauto.com. Oh, this is actually pretty cool what I got from them too. Of course, you get the receipts. Oh my God. So I got a receipt. And this is actually, I like this one. Uh-oh, don't tell me I lost my other one. Where's my other one? Uh-oh. No, I didn't. And then you also get these little magnets, which is pretty cool also. Huh. Big up to Rock Auto. I appreciate you guys. So on that point, I'm turning. Let me finish this car up. And then tomorrow I'll give you an update on how the car's running. Because these damn bugs are bugging me out. Do subscribe. And don't let bugs bite you. Not unless you live in Florida. Peace.